Creating and managing a messaging playlist. A messaging playlist must be created in order to play messages in your desired zones, locations, and/or devices. A messaging playlist is a container where you can add messages, set a playlist schedule, select how and when it gets played, and select the locations, groups, or devices where to play it. Create a messaging playlist. Prior to creating a messaging playlist, you must have messages uploaded into your library or libraries. Check out the video, Harmony Messaging, Uploading Audio Files, to learn how to upload messages. Once all messages have been uploaded into the desired library, under Overhead Zones and/or On Hold Zones, select the zone name you wish to create a messaging playlist on. Select the plus sign. This will open the Properties panel of your new messaging playlist. Give your messaging playlist a unique name in the field Playlist Title. Select the Save button to save your messaging playlist. Add messages. To add messages to your messaging playlist, select the plus sign under the Messages tab. In the pop-up, you will see all available messages. Select the plus sign next to the message name to add it to your messaging playlist. If you would like to add multiple copies of that message, select the plus sign again. This will increase the number count seen next to the plus. Select the Done button once you're done selecting your desired messages. Your selected messages will appear under the tab Messages. Select the Save button to save your changes to the messaging playlist. To learn more about how to set a messaging playlist schedule, select how and when it gets played, and select the locations, groups, or devices where to play it. Check out the video Harmony Messaging, exploring the messaging playlist tabs. Play a messaging playlist. Anytime the Save button is selected, the messaging playlist will publish to the server automatically and insert itself into the selected music zone. No additional steps are required. Delete a messaging playlist. To delete a messaging playlist, select your desired playlist to highlight it. Select the trash can icon and select Confirm to delete the playlist.